20th. You know where your nip is. Get it. Oh, wrong way. So get the nip, baby. What is this? What's this? What is this? Oh, that's catnip. Mmm. Get it. Shirt's tucked in. Get the freaking nip. I cannot believe he's walking away. Why are you walking away?
What's Brenda school?
Went down.
Seriously, I'm expecting a colleague and I need you to fuck off. No offense.
So, what are you doing? I thought you would really like that. You don't like being in pictures? Is that what it is? Get the damn nip. I know, it's busy in here. I know.
No, I was asked to to go over death.
The baby ones. Oh, they're making me itch. Little baby ones. So, I got this video camera on to get you being all cute and drunk on there, and you're really not doing a damn thing. Why? Because there's orbs here. Alright, this is the last time. I'm not doing this again. You want this? Come here. Come here. Go ahead, put your body in it.
Have you seen Noel said your name's Bud?
Yes, ma'am.
You obviously
Yeah.
represented the 1st of October baby attack. That was you.
Yes, ma'am.
It's been a long time. Dave.
No, it's a blizzard. Where's it coming from?
Thank you, ma'am.
A little mini blizzard. Oh, my ears are getting hot.
As you wish, ma'am.
That was white.
No, I've been a total cunt.
My ears are hot. That means they're here. And I'm itchy. Today the 20th, it's 5 o'clock. I have been down, sleeping and down and recovering. You're getting whacked. You're getting whacked, my angel. There's like a little blizzard right here of orbs. Like a, see? And at one point, like a blizzard. He's trying to get him because he's high on the nip. Ah! Get that blizzard. Oh, boing, boing, boing. Let me see if I can make more come. Let's see. Sometimes I do that and you just get like a billion. Okay. There they come. There they come. Oh, there's a lot. Ooh, it makes me very dizzy when they come. And I get hot. And then he does this and I can't move. Go get him. My ears just went up like 10 octaves. Well, okay, so we got the little mini blizzard coming off of me. That's the most I've filmed in like 3 days. I did make 3 videos for the doctor. I've not looked at them yet because I'm embarrassed. And that's that. Dentist tomorrow, doctor next week. Just sitting here trying to heal quietly. Not talking to anybody. Keeping to myself. Meditating, praying, and healing. There he goes. Yeah, he's going to play with them now. So that was pretty. Don't do that. Don't be looking that ill. I'm trying to make a cute little video and you're all up in your personal shit. They're everywhere. Oh, my ears. Are your ears ringing loud? Because mine are like, no? Angel. Off my hands. There we go. Bright and shiny. I don't see an energy ball though. Alright, you're not going to do anything else cute. We're done. That's catnip, orbs, and I don't know where chicken leg went. They are really, I don't know where they're all coming from though. I think they're coming from me. Pretty sure. Yep, me. They're healing, and I am healing too. I'm healing good. I'm so happy that I'm healing. So you're very boring. I thought we were going to make a cute video. I guess we'll have to do this later. Peace, love, and light. Look at my crooked fingers.